Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot turn off stolen device protection. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to turn off your stolen device protection, but you're facing any issue in turning off stolen device protections, let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to double check your VPN connection if you're connected to any kind of VPN. Just try to disconnect with that because your VPN affects your location based content and your stolen device protection is location based content. Then you have to go back and go to privacy and security, go to location services, scroll down and look for system services. The very first, enable your location services, then go to system services. Further scroll down and look for significant locations and routes. And you must have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle to enable your significant locations. Then go back from here and you have to go to Face ID and passcode and enter your iPhone passcode, and then just scroll down and here just look for stolen device protection. Now you just have to tap on this to turn off its toggle, and your stolen device protection will be turned off after a security delay. So we just have to tap on the start security delay option. So it will set a timer of almost 1 hour. So we just have to wait for until the timer completes. And after doing this, after completing the timer, you will be verified with a notification, and then you can easily disable the stolen device protection from here. Or if your security delay has been stuck and now you want to restart it, so you just have to make a force restart with your iPhone, and after that your security delay will be restart. After restarting your phone, you just have to quickly press and use your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you got the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you'll get a notification to restart your security delay, or you can manually go to settings and here go to Face ID and passcode, or you might get a notification to start security delay again. But you have to go to Face ID and passcode if you want to set it up manually, and here just go to stolen device protection, disable this toggle, verify yourself using your Face ID, and then start security delay again. So after restarting your security delay will not stuck, and after completing the security delay, you can easily turn off or disable stolen device protection. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.